Breakfast is ready.
There's a serious problem afflicting a generation of women. And if not treated early on, it will only get worse as you grow older. Really cool lower back tattoos. It seemed like such a good idea at the time, didn't it? Hello, I'm Dr. Edward Turlington. Studies show that next to smoking and having sex, getting a lower back tattoo is the best thing a young woman can do to be cool. And you ladies were cool. But now look at you. Let's face it, you're not young anymore. You're not even close. That's why you need Turlington's lower back tattoo remover. Look, here's a really cool lower back tattoo on an attractive 20-year-old girl. Now watch what happens to that tattoo when that young girl becomes a 65-year-old woman. Pretty sad indeed. That's why I developed Turlington's lower back tattoo remover. Just apply once, every hour, for 72 straight hours. And watch that tattoo slowly burn away. That tingling means it's working. Soon enough, that silly mistake will be long gone. And that slight discoloration will be the only thing to remind you of that crazy weekend in Jamaica. Well, maybe not the only thing. Turlington's lower back tattoo remover. Because it won't be cool forever.